That's our big turbo build for the Audi TT, the Mk1 Audi TT, 1.8 turbo, 20 valve. It's got a g25 660 turbo. We've up the size of the boost pipes to 3-inch. Still need to obviously finish it off. Got the routing right. Loads of pie cuts to tuck in through the hole at the bottom there. Missed the headlamp. And 3-inch into the bigger intercooler. 3-inch deep. Comes out this side, some more pie cuts. Tucked it up nice and tight. Up through the top. So we're going to get a one of the big inlets, manifolds. We'll probably run a bigger throttle body as well, so we'll match that with the size of the boost pipes. So at the minute we've had to drop that back down to standard size just to go on the standard throttle body, but it won't be an issue once we've got the bigger inlet. Next job is where the air filter goes here. That's 4-inch. We're going to bring that down here, make some snazzy little air scoop type vent here to direct the airflow. Put the battery in the boot. A few other little niggly things, and then we can probably try and get it started. We're going to make a catch can as well to sit over here somewhere. Nice big catch can. Now we'll tackle the downpipe and the exhaust, and then that'll be it. Should have one running car. There you go. Big turbo, fully forged, 1.8, 20 valve turbo engine, and a Mk1 Audi TT. Porsche brakes. Roll cage, bucket seat, half dash. Get big wing up and back. After we've done that, we'll start with the aero. Hopefully we'll be on track this year sometime. We'll see.